Good morning, YouTube. Louie here with the best silver gold deals of Wednesday, February 12th, 2025, CPI day. CPI coming out in 22 minutes. All right, let's get on to the spot prices. We have gold down $15 to 2,883 and silver down 4 cents to 31.73. Gold-silver ratio is dropping, bounced off 91 and is now at 90.57. 10-year yield spiked a bit yesterday, now almost at 4.55. Some people think there is going to be a hotter than expected CPI. And the government often trades ahead of us, and I think Powell knows it as well. That's why he was making hawkish comments yesterday. So kind of expecting a hotter CPI and this 10-year to go even higher. U.S. dollar is up 0.073 to 107.998, wants to recapture 108, and may spike higher as well, which would not be good for metals. Copper continuing its rally, up 2 cents today to 4.62. By the way, welcome all new subscribers, and we do this every day. We're looking at the market, then we'll look at where to find the best deals everywhere in the known universe. So right now, we look at copper to give us a clue as to where industrial metals are heading. And commodities and industrial metals are definitely catching a bid. Looks like that is going to be a major pull up for silver, being mostly commodity, but still monetary as well. But we could have a divergence today between gold and silver, depending on what happens at 8:30 Eastern Time. CPI, and then we have core CPI and three Fed head speakers, and the monthly U.S. federal budget, which if Trump keeps going, looks like it's going to drop. All right, Thursday we have initial jobless claims, which will also move the market, and then PPI. And Friday, import prices, retail sales, capacity utilization. All right, not much on Friday. So this market will be really moving here today in about 20 minutes, and then tomorrow as well. I think we're going to have a sell-off. Okay, in the pre-market, we are in the neutral category, the low end of the fear-greed index, low end of the neutral part of the fear-greed index at 46. We've got Dow down 39, we've got S&P futures up 1, and NASDAQ up 47. Bitcoin is looking like a wet sock here to me. I think we're going to get a rug pull on Bitcoin, but I don't own it, I don't recommend it, and don't go by me, what do I know? But 95,834 on that cryptocurrency. Lots of changes in the market and a lot of better deals. What I would do is watch what you like here, bookmark it, and then look for something to happen. Well, by the time the video gets posted, it'll already have happened, but we could see lower prices today, and it would be an excellent buying opportunity, I think, in both silver and gold, but more silver. If we can get a 30 handle on silver, I would buy with both hands. All right, we've got 1 gram out of assay over at bullion.com, and this is a new customer deal. New customer only, bullion.com, 93.21 for 1 gram gold. Good price there. A 1/10 gold eagle over at Summit is $3.15. A 1/10 maple over at bullion.com is $3.02. Thank you, Jinx. I really appreciate you ferreting this out. Great price on a 1/10 gold maple right there. All right, and moving on to a 1/4 ounce gold eagle. Monument Metals has that for $7.76. 1/4 ounce Britannia is out of stock. Sorry about that one. We've got a $5 commemorative, which is a little less than a 1/4 ounce of gold, but a good alternative to a pricey 1/4 ounce gold eagle. It is, that went out of stock as well. What is going on here? These were all updated within the last hour or two. Okay, well, let's move on to this one here. Is this one still in? All right, we've got 1/4 ounce random sovereign minted coins for 736, so that would put you a little over 2,900 melt. And I like the fact that they're BU coins. I believe they say that down here, that they are brilliant uncirculated. Yeah, and everything I show you will be BU unless I say otherwise or they fool me. Okay, a half-ounce Gold Eagle is $14.85 at Summit Metals. Half-ounce maple is $14.89 at Summit Metals. Half-ounce Britannia is $1,500. What's going on here? They're changing prices on me, guys. A half-ounce Krugerrand this morning is $14.78 at Summit Metals, but I would get that random deal before I would get the Krugerrand. Let's see. We've got a 1-ounce Gold Eagle at $2,935 at Monument Metals, and a Buffalo at $2,969 at Summit Metals. We'll check Costco in a minute. We've got a 1-ounce gold maple at $29.29 at Summit Metals, and a 1-ounce Britannia at $29.19 at Bullion Exchanges. I'll skip the double eagles today, go to the 1-ounce gold Krugerrand, $28.91, which they say is spot. It's actually not Kitco spot, but good price on a gold Krugerrand if you're looking for gold is gold, okay? And these days, the way they buy it, you're not getting paid back for those eagles and buffaloes. You can get a 20 franc this morning for $5.50 at Bold Precious Metals. Nice to see gold a little lower today. Let's move on to gold in assay. Gold in assay, good price here on these little Rand elephant bars. I've bought these before. They're very cute, very nice. $28.98 for a Rand bar in assay from Bullion Exchanges. And if we get a further dip in gold, that would be a good one to pick up. All right, if you're looking for a platinum eagle, which they don't make anymore in BU form, $1,188 for that collector coin. You can get these over at Vermilion, I think, for a little bit less. Vermilion is a coin shop on YouTube that I recommend. Just a general sovereign platinum coin is $1,081. Platinum and palladium losing their juice here lately as well, but they are commodities, so look for them to recover, in my opinion. BU Silver Eagle, what in the hell? Everything has gone out of stock here recently. That is really annoying. Okay, you keep moving here. Over on Walmart, what do we have on Walmart this morning? Let's see, we can get a tube of Silver Eagles for $7.18, $7.30. So it looks like $7.18 is going to be about $36 an eagle. If you have a 3% rebate credit card, you could pick that up for about $35 a coin. Okay, sorry about that deal going out of stock. I'll have to resort it. For those of you that like the Cull Eagles, okay, this is still in stock. My people are buying silver here, aren't they? $35.79 for one, but $33.54 for Cull Eagles. I know you guys like those. That is about $1.70 over spot. They have been cheaper at Vermilion, but he is out, and he charges for shipping under $3,000. My green light is on, strong and green here, and I would be buying silver. But gold could get cheaper in about 10 minutes. A silver maple is $33.97 at Summit Metals. I think what happened is silver was selling off and then it recovered a little bit. I think that's what's happening. We have got a silver kangaroo, $34.48 at Hero Bullion. A Britannia is $33.50 at Summit Metals, good price right there. A Krugerrand is $33.60 at Bullion Exchanges, good price right there. A Philharmonic is $33.66. See all these prices coming down today, I guess, compared to a couple days ago. Okay, can you still get this 5-ounce Libertad? Now it's $190. I think you guys ought to buy that, but I still don't know the final mintages. If you do, let me know. What's up with the Star Privy Eagle? They are $43 this morning, and I bought mine from SD Bullion, got full tubes, and mine were perfect, but some people are getting spots on their Star Privy Eagles, and they still haven't sold out, so you can see that is going to take a while for that one to work. but I believe I bought 2 tubes of those. All right, what's in stock over at Costco? Now, I would wait because I think they'll be dropping their prices if we get a sell-off on a higher CPI. But right now, we've got a gold bar at $29.49. We have $35 an ounce silver, and if you use your 2% Executive Club membership and a good 2% rebate credit card, you get 4% off of that. So you'd be in the 33s on these bars, and I saw these in person. They are just beautiful little bars. But you may not want to pay up that much for silver. We can find silver for 50 cents over spot pretty easily. Okay, and some new stuff in the picks of the day as well. The one I like the best, and I hope they drop the price on it, is the 25 pack of Pamps. Out the door, you'd be about $95 a gram. That's a nice SHTF product, and also some good flip potential on that. Platinum bar is $1,099. I wouldn't buy that, and I would wait for these prices to drop. Okay, see, I think I have a picture of this. Yeah, I was in my store. Oh, holy moly. Okay, I didn't put the actual photograph, but there it is. Really beautiful little bar right there. I think that'll appreciate a little bit over time, but I'd want to get it cheap. All right, let's move on to junk. Here's a new junk deal for you, little bit cheaper. 23.7 times face for a mixed lot of dimes and quarters. That's over at Monument Metals. And melt today for junk, silver at 31.73. 31.73 times 0.715 is 22.7. That's what you're looking for to get junk at spot. So we're a little above that this morning on this deal. 22.7. Okay, this also caught my eye and was noted in the chat room. If you haven't been in the chat room, get in there. It's all totally free. Link at the top of my website, bestsilvergolddeals.com. Everything here is totally free. We've got 90% modern U.S. Mint coinage, dimes, quarters, or half dollars, 24.01 times face. And they'll probably send, they say that they're any condition, but they'll probably send you uncirculateds because nobody circulates these. They just buy the tubes and keep them. Fun for the kids to collect, and they would also have silver in their collection. I did that with my son a long time ago. But there's a small market for these, and you may not recapture that little bit extra premium. They might be a little harder to sell, but a lot of fun to look at these, collect them, put them in books. Anyway, that's not a bad price on proof U.S. sovereign 90%. Okay? All right, there we go. And a big bag of Mercs is going to be under 24 times face. Not a big bag, small bag actually. Let's keep going. A quantity of 20 Buffaloes is going to be 32.43 over at Pinehurst, and that is a Sunshine Mint round, so good price on that. Pretty good price anyway. A random 1 ounce bar, I didn't check this listing, but today it is $33.87 at Monument Metals. I wouldn't pay that much. Let's look at kilos today. Kilos are going for $1,055, about the same as yesterday. Now we get on to eBay, and we find the better prices. We utilize a 3%. Those of us that believe in this utilize a 3% rebate credit card. The ones I recommend are American Express, Clear Blue Cash, and the PayPal card. Check out through PayPal, and you'll get 3% kickers on what you buy. So the prices may look a little higher, but after you take the 3% off, they are often lower. That's why we do it that way, and we look for reputable dealers on eBay. Some of the same people you buy from at their websites, but they lower their prices when they sell on eBay. That's how that works. What is the flowing hair doing? And I do think this is a good long-term investment. Still $4,500 to $5,000 for the flowing hair, and I think it would be a good investment in both raw and MS70 form. And an MS70 is going to cost you, I don't think we're going to find it under 5,000. Let's just do a resort on this. I still have mine. I'm waiting for $7,000 on this coin, and I think it will come. So you're going to have to pay $53.50. I don't know about this seller at all, but it's a PR70. This is a proof coin. Last one, that's not a bad price on the gold flowing hair if you're looking for that. The silver flowing hair I think is also a good investment, but I won't do those this morning. They're about $200 at the lowest you can find them raw, and then they go much higher certified and crazy high with the privy. Both those coins are higher with the privy. Okay, silver eagles today. Let's see if we can beat that cull price over at Pinehurst. Wow, here we go. 34.90 or so, about 33.90 out the door. So I think Pinehurst beat that for culls. If you're looking for BU, $700. What's wrong with this? Anything? Good seller, high feedback, free shipping, brand new silver dollars. They look to be type 1s. And he's got nice clean shots in here of these. So there you go, 35, and you could get that for about 34 a coin out the door. Very nice. Let me do a little note there. Good way to get eagles this morning at 34 bucks. So I don't need to go anymore. Okay, you can get $34 eagles this morning. How about maples? Tuba maples is going to be $8.89, kind of pricey. Tuba Britannias is going to be $8.80, still kind of pricey. A tuba kangaroos is going to be $8.59. Okay, let's see if that's a real deal. Now, I don't really care. Yeah, here is BGASC telling you they're varied condition. I don't know if you want those at $8.58. Let's see what else we got. Tuba Krugerrands are going to be $8.82. Let's look on to the Philharmonics. Philharmonics are going to be $7.09. This is a tuba 20. This is BU from BGASC. And $7.09 is going to put you at about 35 a coin, about 34 out the door for Philharmonics. Get the Eagles if they're the same price, guys. And at around $8.80, you're going to be in the 34s. So no, I don't like the silvers this morning that much on eBay. Let's look at a lot of junk. Here is a small lot of junk. We want $10 face. And we want to see dates. So we just scroll down here the way the website works. 23.2 for $10 face. And 22, we're going to be at spot. What do we got here, guys? Look at that. We got nice little quarters. Oh, he's going to charge us $6 shipping. So let me do it again. 232 plus 6, 238. You're going to be at about 23.2 out the door. About 40 cents over the melt face differential. Oh, you know what I mean. Okay, that's a good price on junk this morning if you're buying silver. Let's keep going here. Big bag of Mercs on eBay is 25 times face, and about 24 is 30 out the door. I'll skip the Carson Cities and the Peace Dollars. I like them, though. How about Libertads? They were real pricey yesterday, and boy, they are real pricey today as well. Wow, and the 24s are the cheapest. Look at that. Look at the 23s roll. Man, they really raised the price on the Libertads. Let's see. How about the cheapest kilo? Now let's find a good one. $10.78, 30 bucks off. It puts you at about $10.40 out the door. And $10.40. What is $10.40? $10.40. If you're just buying big old silver, divided by 32.15 ounces in a kilo, you'll be at 32.34, whatever. That's about 80 cents over spot. If you're looking for a 4.9s bar, silverback stacker, I couldn't find one this morning. Let's see if we can find a 4.9s kilo. Let's see, random. Pioneer, are those 4.9s? Nope. 9 fine, are those 4.9s? We're paying up, though. That's 1,100. Nah, I can't find a 4.9s bar, sorry. Okay, bar of the day is Strickland. Okay, it's a good little price on a nice little, cute little bar with a great logo. $3.75, and this looks to be a manufactured bar, but very cool at $3.75 for your vintage bar collection. Okay, a kilo kook today is going to be $1,140, about $1,100 out the door for a brand new BU Kilo kook, not a kulo keek. Let's see. So, oh man, I wish that was cheaper. Tubes of kooks would be about 36 out the door. How about a large lot of 1 ounce rounds? 33.37. About 32.37 out the door. Whatever, 50 cents over spot. And those are 3 9s, 3 9s, 3 9s. I can't find a 4 9s. Nah, I would look for those nadir bars. Those are 4 9s. Very nice melting bars. Let's see. Let's do a lot of 20 this morning, and those are 33.30. About 32.30 out the door for a tube of 20. Very nice. Good price. Look, they got the new prospectors there. Oh, secondary market. Look, they're promising prospectors here. This is Liberty Coin. Well, it's a pretty good outfit. I don't know, man. If they send you prospectors, that's the deal of the week. I should buy a tube of those and see what happens. But I got that $2,000 sales tax limit. So 1 ounce rounds in 20 round lots, pretty good. How about a 100 ounce bar? How cheap can we get that? 29, no, that's a 20 ounce bar. 33, you're going to be at 32 out the door from BGASC. Tell me it's 4 9s. No, Johnson Matthey is not 4 9s. Out of stock? Oh, that's out of stock. They got me. 33.12. Okay, looks like you're going to pay 33.12. That is in stock, free shipping, and big good seller, pretty good seller. And I'd take any of those bars. If you don't like what they send you, melted in that double forge, you'd be at 32.1 per ounce. Very interesting selection there. I don't think you'll get the Sunshine Bar. You probably might get the Silvertown. I don't know. Could get the Pony Express. There's a lot of there. Or this Eagle here. Or the Asahi. Asahi's a nice bar. Anyway, that's a good deal for silver. If we get a drop here. Ooh, it's coming out in 1 minute, the CPI. Okay, I'm going to move on to gold. And get a few gold in before the CPI comes out. Random 1/10 ounce gold, that's not a real deal. 308, about 300 out the door. That will beat that maple deal. And what is this? BGASC 308. Take $9 off with a 3% rebate credit card. Oh, 1/10 gold. Oh, it's a bar. Huh, 1/10 gold bar, $300. Okay, that's not bad out the door. I can live with that. You got it, but for $2 more, you're going to get a Philharmonic. So probably get the Philharmonic over the bar. Random 1/4 ounce gold is going as cheap as, let's see, 754. Is that a real deal? Yeah, 754. Random 1/4 ounce gold. And for this one, you would take about $25 off. You'd be at about 730 something out the door for random. I think that's a push with the deal above at the big dealer. Okay, let's get on to a 1/4 ounce gold eagle. CPI coming out. 1/4 ounce gold eagle is going to be 789 this morning, and then about $25 off. Put you at about 765, something like that on a 1/4 ounce gold eagle. 1/2 ounce Krugerrand is, oh, there it is, guys. Consumer Price Index, month over month, 0.5 versus 0.3. It's hot, okay? And the people at the front runners at the Fed or in the government front ran us. That's why rates were going up yesterday, and that is going to be a problem for the markets. Let's go back in and check the markets really quickly. I'm going to look at the stock market. What happened to the pre-market? Is it up here? Here we go. Let me reload the pre-markets. Hot CPI, ex-food and energy, 0.4 versus 0.3. We got inflation coming back, at least for this month. Now we have the Dow down 16. What a minute? It didn't move? Got the Dow down 16, the S&P up 1, and the NASDAQ up 40? What is going on with that? Why didn't that move? Let's see. Oh, no, on CNBC, they got the NASDAQ down 150. This garbage here. Who is this? CNN garbage. It's delayed. Yeah, we got the market selling off, but I don't think Kitco is delayed. Let's see what happened to metals. Did we get our sell-off? Okay, and we got gold down $36, down 1.24%. And we've got silver down 27 cents. Which would be under 1%. So we got gold dropping faster than silver here. And I'm telling you, if we can get a 30 handle on silver, 30.90, something like that, I will be buying myself. Okay, so we got the sell-off. Yeah, and the markets are crashing. Well, no, S&P is only down 55. All right, let's keep going, but it happened just like I thought it would. All right, let's do the half-ounce gold Krugerrand, and these prices may be coming down. 15.17, you'd be at about 14.60 out the door on a half-ounce Krugerrand. That'd be around a little over 2,900 melt on that coin. Let's see what the half-ounce maple is going for. Half-ounce maple is going for 15.29. You'd be at about 14.80 or something out the door for the half-ounce maple. 1 ounce gold eagle this morning is going for, is it 29.96? BGASC, random year eagle. They didn't put BU in the title. So what are these creepazoids? What are they going to sell us? They're not even going to tell us what it is. Look at that. I think I've complained about that before, but say we got a $3,000 gold eagle. You're going to take $90 off, and you'll be at about $29.10 on a gold eagle this morning out the door. These prices may reset. Some of these prices float with spot, so check that and try to catch a $50 sell-off on gold this morning if you're going to buy that one. Oh, it's a good day for buying, guys. Don't fear the higher CPI. You know, it just creates a story, and I worry about higher CPI, but metals are in high demand and on a bull run. So we're looking at this, this wound here as a buying opportunity. How about a gold buffalo this morning? If you believe in the long term, you got to be buying, okay? If you're not buying on the way down, when are you buying? I know I say that too much. 30.25 for a gold buffalo at Modern Coin Mart. Holy mackerel, it's impaired, but how badly is it impaired? Oh, looks like it has some spots on it. Huh, well, that's weird. 30.25, then $90 off will put you at 29.35 out the door. Now, you may not want an impaired buffalo, but hey, wow, cool. How much for a nice one? 30.42, only $10 more, guys. Wow, you get a good deal on buffaloes this morning at bullion.com. 30, now it's 30.36. Oh, it dropped. You see the prices dropping? Buy 3 of these, get $10 off. So you will be $90 off. You'll be at $29.46 on a buffalo. That's a good price. Nothing up at Costco. Oh, it's a good day to buy gold. If you want to buy these Tudor Beasts, you can get the 1/4 ounce for $7.82, and you can get the 1 ounce for, a lot of you are collecting these in that set, in that collector box, which if you don't have that, you can pick that up somewhere. Let's see, we're going to get $29.97 on a 1 ounce bull of Clarence. That'd be about $90 off. $29.10 out the door. Not too much over spot for the bull of Clarence. I don't like the Yale. I would get the Dragon. $5 more. It's $20 more for the Dragon. But Dragon coins, man, are always the bomb. And that's a nice one too. I like that Dragon. I don't like any of their other designs. Got any older ones here? Yeah, what's this? That's the Yale again. Even the unicorn is goofy looking. Yeah, but I like that Dragon a lot if you want to pick that up. Oh, it's a good day for gold, guys. How about a $5 commemorative? $5 commemorative is $7.19. Is that in stock? Yeah, that's in stock. It's a commemorative. It's $7.19. Okay, 25% off. It looks like, oh, look at that. Looks impaired from the picture, but it got an MS-70. Okay, Franklin Roosevelt. I know some of you don't like him, but $7.20. Then you're going to take $22 off. You'd be at about $6.98. Let's do the math on that one. Good day for gold, huh? $6.98 divided by 0.24 and change. So you'd be at about 29.08 melt on that U.S. commemorative, a little less than a 1/4 ounce of gold. Let's keep going here. What else we like? Okay, let me do my Yeah, these markets. Oh, look at that. NASDAQ down 235. Man, that was so damn predictable. I should have put a short on the NASDAQ. Let's see. In my eBay store, I got some cool stuff in here. Just click that link and look around. There's mostly collector coins. And you're reselling these, some of them at good prices, some of them at collector coin prices. But ask me for a friend discount, and I will oblige you. These are the bars that I pour for any channel member. And welcome all new channel members. You can get my poured silver at $2.50 over spot plus $5 shipping. These are the 5-ounce Shamrock bars. Limited run, I think, of 50 on those. And I also still have my Drone Worry Be Happy bar if anybody wants to pick that up at $2.50 over spot if you are a channel member and haven't already picked up your 5 ounces this month. Okay, there's a Sigma. You know how to get that, and you can get a good price on that with those rebates. Let's see, and I like the vacuum sealer. There's that Devil Forge to melt those big bars. The Amex card is the bomb. You're going to give you $250 cash back. Then you're going to get 3% off everywhere you shop, from the grocery store to precious metals on eBay. There are kicker deals as well, that, like, if you like to go to fine restaurants and what. But it's going to cap out at $6,000, so be judicious on how you use that 3%. And then you also want this PayPal card, which the average person can get 3% cash back, unlimited, as much as you want, works on precious metals every time, and the average person can get that when you check out through PayPal anywhere that takes PayPal. The U.S. Mint takes PayPal, okay? You want to get 3% off, like I did on my flowing hair gold coin. I mean, that was like $120 or something. Use that at the U.S. Mint as well. And I'll give you one more tip if you see anything at the U.S. Mint you like, and there hasn't been anything for a long, long time. The tip is checkout with PayPal is faster. Got it? Okay. That is a 10-year tip. Took me 10 years to figure that one out. Where am I? Okay, and let's see. Other deals. The picks of the day, and we just got stuff rolling in here. It's a great time to be stacking. I know prices are a little high, but I just don't think we're going to see a giant sell-off. I think you got a very limited floor and a whole lot of upside. More on silver than gold. Okay, got a new Rifleman round. Hey, do you guys remember that series, The Rifleman? I watched every episode 3 times. Being a guy well, anyway, I was... I don't want to go into it. But anyway, I liked that story of the dad and the son that were trying to do good in the West. That was just a great series, The Rifleman. Hey, if you've got a young son, try to find that somewhere and have him watch that. I just loved those shows as a kid. The Rifleman, Bonanza, all those old westerns. Anyway, this one is $36 a coin. Now, was it that much a minute ago? Yeah, I guess it was. For 20, you can get them from $35.84. Scottsdale has really got a little niche here with these these western themes. So I wouldn't buy it myself, but some of you might like that. Here's another good deal for you, especially with the sell-off. Now you can get 2 random ounces at SD Bullion for $65.85. That is under $33 an ounce for a random 2-ounce bar. And you'll probably get these SD bars, but if they send you the poured bars, do a happy dance. That's a good deal there. You can buy that for sure. And those are the 2 picks of the day. And I better knock it off here, huh? Been going too long. I forgot to tell you to support my channel. I think I missed it. Oh, here we go. The 3 coin shops on YouTube I recommend. No, Vermilion does not like war nickels, and he'll pay you next to nothing for them. I'm paraphrasing. He rolled his eyes when we asked him how much he pays for war nickels. Don't buy war nickels. If you want a coin roll hunt and get them, for a nickel, okay, great. Don't buy war nickels. I know I'm preaching to you, but some of you don't know that, okay? And some of you know that and don't care. All right. If you're buying it for 10 years from now when silver's $100, then you probably make a lot of money. But there is a big discount off war nickels when you go to sell them. One of these guys, Minot or Coin Huskers, is having a big sale today. I think you will... Oh, do I have to click these links? Let's see what's up at Minot. I forget which one of them it was. So Minot, coin shop on YouTube, I recommend, has got a silver blowout. He's going to give you 3 sovereign coins here, I think for $100. So check out Minot this morning before those sell out. That was the guy that was doing the big deal. I mean, it's a silly little thing, but very, very cheap on sovereign silver. All BU sovereign silver. Vermilion has got good sell prices, good buy prices. I'd buy the junk. Coin Huskers has got good sell prices. Again, I'd buy the junk or the generic for spot if that's what they're offering. And please support me with a subscription to bolden.com. It's a software package you don't even know you need, but someday you're going to be retiring and you want to manage your money effectively, and it gives you a lot of confidence if you're in your 50s or early 60s to pull the plug and retire when you want to. Bolden.com, supporter of this website, one of the ways that I keep going, and I do appreciate your subscriptions. And there's a free trial. If you don't like it, you don't have to pay for it at all. Thank you for the cups of coffee, and thank you for joining my YouTube channel. I do appreciate that very much, and there will be a join button right here at the bottom of this video called Join. It's $4.99 a month, and another way you guys support me. I appreciate it very much. And then I sell you, if you want it, I sell you silver at no profit for me. Okay, so let's go back and check spot price. Let's see what the damage is. Sorry for the long video this morning. Gold is down $34 to 2,863. I love that handle on gold, but I think we could move about $15 lower. And look at silver, down 18 cents. Gold falling much faster than silver. GSR coming down. That's why I put a put on gold yesterday and a call on silver. Basically, it is betting that the GSR goes down, okay? When gold falls faster than silver, or when silver rises faster than gold, the GSR comes down. 92 was stupid high. I do think the GSR matters, and that's why I bet $1,000 on that to show you guys that well, if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong, but show you guys that the GSR can be traded, and that is one way to do it in the options market. I don't recommend that for 99% of you, but there's no way to buy the GSR that I know of in the paper markets, and I don't want, you know, to lose the premiums selling out gold for silver, but I just wanted to make the point, and let's see if that works out for me. Okay, and I know a lot of you don't like trading paper, and I'm sorry about that, but that's what I'm doing, and I'm doing it mostly to try to make a point. All right, so thank you very much, and that is all I've got for you today. If you would be so kind, a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing here. I'm not supported by any bullion dealer, okay, so I'm not getting commissions from those guys. I am supported by eBay when we both win on eBay, and you know, a couple other ways. So anyway, it's all impartial advice here, and do use the community. They're smarter than me many times. They're finding deals I don't find. That's in the chat room, and contribute with comments on this video. Get in here, mix it up, subscribe if you want to see more. Get over to the website. If we get a good deal up at Costco, I'll send an alert to the 1,000 people subscribed to my website as well. So it hasn't been much I've been real excited about lately to do alerts, but today's a good day. It's going to be a good day to buy, and hopefully silver drops a little more too. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Louis out.